Lemongrass is known for its invigorating qualities and makes an excellent antidepressant. It can be used in facial toners as its astringent properties help fight acne and oily skin. Lemongrass tones and fortifies the nervous system and can be used in the bath for soothing muscular nerves and pain. Lemongrass has an outstanding reputation for keeping insects away, controlling perspiration, and for treating athlete's foot. This oil relieves the symptoms of jet lag, helps with nervousness and anxiety, and clears headaches. It is useful with respiratory conditions such as sore throats, laryngitis, and fever, and it helps prevent the spreading of infectious diseases when diffused. It is also good for colonitis, indigestion, and gastroenteritis. The therapeutic properties of lemongrass are analgesic, antidepressant, antimicrobial, antipyretic, antiseptic, astringent, bactericidal, carminative, deodorant, diuretic, and a febrifuge. It's also fungicidal, galactagogue, insecticidal, nervine. It's also great for the nervous system as it acts as a sedative and a tonic. Avoid use with individuals with glaucoma and with children. Avoid use during the first trimester of pregnancy, and avoid use if you have a history of high blood pressure. Lemongrass is a top note.